Want to sound more like a native English speaker? Today, I'm sharing 10 everyday English phrases that I use all the time and you can too. Have you ever been in a conversation, wanting to speak, but just couldn't find the right words? Maybe you paused, overthought, or felt afraid of making a mistake. You're not alone. Many English learners spend years memorizing grammar and vocabulary, but still struggle with natural speech. Here's the secret. Fluency isn't about using big words. It's about using common phrases, confidently. Native speakers use these every day. If you learn and use them too, you'll sound much more natural and fluent. Today, I'll walk you through 10 essential phrases with examples and tips so you can start using them right away. Ready? Let's go. Phrase number 1, how's it going? Meaning, a casual way to ask how someone is. Example.
Hey Sarah, how's it going?
Not bad.
Just got off work. You, using how's it going instead of how are you, makes you sound more fluent. Try saying it next time you greet a friend. Phrase number 2, I'll get back to you. Meaning, you don't have an answer right now, but you will later. Example.
I'm not sure about the deadline. I'll get back to you.
Great for emails and meetings. Use it instead of saying, I don't know. Phrase number 3, I'm just kidding. This means you're joking, not being serious. For example,
Yeah, I ate all the cookies. I'm just kidding.
humor is a huge part of English. Practice using this after a funny comment. Phrase number 4, it's up to you. This means you're letting someone else decide. For example,
Where should we eat?
Up to you.
I'm good with anything. Perfect for casual plans with friends. Phrase number 5, I see what you mean. This means you understand someone's point. For example,
Online classes are more flexible.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
use this during conversations or debates to show you're really listening. Phrase number 6, could you repeat that? This phrase is super useful when you didn't hear or understand something. For example, you could say, sorry, could you repeat that? This phrase shows confidence, not weakness. Use it anytime you need clarity. Phrase number 7, I'm on my way. This means you're heading to the location. For instance, if someone asks, where are you? You can reply, I'm on my way. Use it in messages to sound more natural than just saying I'm coming. Phrase number 8, that sounds great. This means you like an idea or plan. For example,
Want to go hiking this weekend?
That sounds great.
use this instead of just saying yes. It shows enthusiasm. Phrase number 9, never mind. This means forget it, it's not important. For example,
Oh, actually, never mind.
helps you sound relaxed and keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Phrase number 10, let me know. This means asking someone to tell you something later. For example, let me know when you're free. Use it in texts or casual chats to keep communication open and friendly. These 10 phrases will help you speak more like a native, sound more natural, and feel more confident. Which phrase was your favorite? Which one will you use first? Drop your answers in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English tips. Speak smart, sound natural, practice daily. See you in the next one.